Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on my driving robot made of fischertechnik based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and is programmed in Python. Last time I started with improving the algorithm in order to get sounds for various distances, and that turned out not to be that easy because of some timing delay, which is caused by starting the camera and then not knowing which sound how to use or when to use and where to get it from. Anyway, today I'm going to improve that further. So I have to start the interface, start the robot, log in and see that it works, get functional. So first of all, powering up. Hopefully it will work because batteries are supposed to be fully charged, and then we'll see what happens. Now it's started up. I have to still check or go to the right menu, and this cable is for the other battery pack, and given my experiences from last time, I'm not quite sure if I should attach this one right now, because if this battery pack goes out, I have to switch it, but also I have to really take care of really watch the voltage on the battery, and I might forget that. Anyway, to get a view of everything, let me switch to screencast. Alright, so as said, screencast, webcam connected, and as you can see, the interface test is also active, and it shows something weird because battery packs are connected to either i5 or i7, and this particular one with this wire, and then the other side connected to this wire is going to i7, which means that i5 is not connected, but this one is set to active, but it doesn't show. They're both 0. That worries me, so I am going to connect this one as well. On here. Does it show anything now? No, so I am going to pull this switch and nothing is happening. So, and it stopped. Connection has stopped. Once again. Okay, now they are active. Disabling this switch for now, and now it's active. So, okay. Why do I need both battery packs? I don't know. But anyway, one is active, and that is this one. So that's alright. Which means I'm going to add some sounds right now, and to get a better overview of the sounds, it turns out that I have to go to the interface itself. So this is usually where I end but now I'm going to here for test, then sound, and here I have everything. So there are 29 sounds, 29 different ones. So plenty of sounds that I can use for the different moments of sonar. So I'm going to write them down and then see if I can use it, if they all work, which I assume they do. Okay, with the 29 different sounds I have been looking through the already used sounds, and this one has been used twice. So between 4 and 6 I already have sound number 5, as you can see here. So going to 6 and 10, then I need a different sound, which will be 6 car horn short. And this already was short, so that was a mistake somewhere by me in the past. Then sound braking, okay, sound braking. And well, sound braking should not be used twice. So I'm going to not braking, not a bell, but I'm going further down the list. Skipping 4 fantasy sounds, I'm going to the, I think, fire department, which is just adding a 1 to 14. And of course I will have to put it into the logging file as well. That comes a bit later. Here 4 as well, so I am not taking that one again. Fire noises, which I suppose is different. Which is then fire noises. Braking already used, so I'm going 1 down the list is Formula 1, whatever that may be. Another braking. Why would that be? Next one down the list, helicopter. Another one. Okay, this gets annoying. Hydraulic, next one. I have no idea how they sound, but this one should not be another braking. Okay, this gets annoying. I have to change them all, write them all to log file and see whatever happens. Alright, now I have noticed that I totally missed in the algorithm the distance between 35 centimeters and 55 centimeters. But all the other stuff is fixed, I think. Didn't quite test everything, but let's go anyway. And go in the hope that it just works out. Yep, that was 2.5 seconds wait. Speed. Oh, password. Yeah, of course. And this is going to be annoying because I first get this stuff. I hear some sounds which I didn't hear before, so that is working. Value error. Unclosed file. Really? A closed file? Why will that be? Is this still operating? It is. H7, no worries. But why is this file closed? Yeah, I need to go back, and there is a data file. That is today, and it's been closed 2 minutes ago. Really? So what's happening? Once more, it didn't even drive. And as you can see, the algorithm is completely running because the propeller is going. That's all there is right now. Yeah, pictures are being sent. Airplane or something. Okay, let me stop. What about data? Okay, a problem now is that apparently the data file is very small. So it is only 367 bytes. So going in, and that's it. Nothing else. Airplane sound. Okay, what is airplane? Airplane motor 1? No, I don't think so. Then it should be motor 1, not airplane. So apart from the mystery on the data file, I also have taken the latest two files, image files, and this is exactly what I want to see. Granted, it's only the main thing and not the other objects, but everything is blacked out and I see something very nice here. Yellow is gone, other colors are gone, only red, and that is very good. What I'm less satisfied with is the data file. And well, I haven't, of course, then be able to test the driving and the other sounds because of the problem with the data file, but I will have to check on that one. Let's see what this gives. 0. 1%. Card is 100%. Root 100% use. Home is 1% use. So if I Okay, let's see for the latest file what that gives. Yeah, I can of course clean everything up, but give it a time. I think that is for another time, for another day. And then I have plenty to do, checking the sounds, checking the distances, and checking my data file. So with all that, I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. Leave a comment or suggestion, click the bell for notification, and do support please via PayPal, via Ko-fi, or becoming a patron from €2 or $2 a month and up. Please check my Patreon page. This is of course going to be continued. Enough to do. For now, check also my website, and for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.